Eno nĩ Mũrata wa Ngai TV.
So, video.
Ndugu ni makinya maya turitwaranaga nawe guka ni mohoro-ini ma
Uteti gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ona nja wa itoka cia Kenya,
wonjoria,
ukuria nuthi wa na mbere,
ũrĩmi ona gĩthomo,
ũgima wa mwĩrĩ
ona ningi mathako. Nyitanagira na ithuĩ thĩinĩ wa Mũrata Mĩaraho,
thĩinĩ wa Mũrata thaa ĩmwe
na Mũrata thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ.
kinyitanagire naniĩ Wanjirũ Wainaina
na niĩ Mũciri wa Mwangi,
oro na niĩ Mũthuri ti Gĩchĩra.
amu gĩkĩ nĩkĩo gĩtwe kĩa mohoro marĩa makwĩgiĩ.
ndugu ni makinya maya turitwaranaga nawe guka ni mohoro-ini ma
Uteti gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ona nja wa itoka cia Kenya,
wonjoria,
ukuria nuthi wa na mbere,
ũrĩmi ona gĩthomo,
ũgima wa mwĩrĩ
ona ningi mathako. Nyitanagira na ithuĩ thĩinĩ wa Mũrata Mĩaraho,
thĩinĩ wa Mũrata thaa ĩmwe
na Mũrata thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ.
kinyitanagire naniĩ Wanjirũ Wainaina
na niĩ Mũciri wa Mwangi,
oro na niĩ Mũthuri ti Gĩchĩra.
amu gĩkĩ nĩkĩo gĩtwe kĩa mohoro marĩa makwĩgiĩ.
Eno nĩ Mũrata wa Ngai TV.
burden inaendelea na kuongezeka. Ukiangalia payslip za watu zinakaa mbaya. Saa hii mafuta ni hiyo nayo imepanda. Vile mimi ningemwambia Mheshimiwa Rais, hii taxes na revenue ile pesa yote wanaweka kwa mafuta watoe, ndio watu wetu waweze kununua mafuta kwa bei rahisi.
Serikali ya Jamhuri ya Kenya imepandisha kitu inaitwa fuel levy, ikaenda juu, na hiyo inamaanisha it is going to affect every sector of the economy. Mtu wa kawaida, yule bodaboda ambaye aliweka Mheshimiwa Ruto katika serikali, anaenda kuumia. Sasa sisi tunasema kwa sababu serikali iko na pesa nyingi, badala ya kuongezea hii kodi wananchi on top of high taxation regime, tunaomba hiyo ipunguzwe na alafu bei ya mafuta iende chini.
Lakini bila kuongeza bei ya mafuta, ile ushuru walipunguza, hata mafuta imekuwa ya bei kali kuliko vile ilikuwa na hiyo ushuru sasa hivi. Wanadanganya Wakenya, serikali imekuwa ni ya uongo, ya ukora, anadanganya watu kabisa. Na bei ya mafuta ikipanda kila kitu inapanda. Sasa wewe kama ni president wa Kenya, Bwana Ruto, unaongeza bei ya mafuta. Na vile uchumi uko mbaya namna hii. Unaelewa Kenya wanakaa namna gani kweli? Hii umaskini anaelewa kweli?
You know, hii nchi si mtu mmoja. We are getting concerned that one person will wake up every morning, pick on a subject matter, malign one person after another, and think he can get away because there's a community or some people he appeals to that he will ask to the streets. He's asking for mass action of an international fuel crisis. If Rigiji was sincere, the same way once upon a time he called on Trump to arrest certain people from Kenya, Rigiji should be calling for mass action against Trump and the war criminal Netanyahu. Those are the people who created this crisis, not William Ruto, not the people of Kenya, not trying to put young men to the streets to come and loot and destroy property. Those are the people you should be calling for mass action for. Lakini wajua, ukiwa maumau bandia, hii ndio kazi unafanya. Vitisho vya urongo na kutisha wale ambao unafikiria hawezi kufanya kitu. Finally, I wish to take this opportunity to commend the government for taking progressive steps to navigate the prevailing challenges and cushion consumers from the adverse effects of the international oil price shocks. And this I want to assure the people of Kenya. I think the government is extremely compassionate. It appreciates the crisis that we have been driven to by the illegal war in the Middle East. And I am sure that all reasonable measures will be taken, even as we progress to readjust the interventions. You know, hii nchi si mtu mmoja. We are getting concerned that one person will wake up every morning, pick on a subject matter, malign one person after another, and think he can get away because there's a community or some people he appeals to that he will ask to the streets. He's asking for mass action of an international fuel crisis. If Rigiji was sincere, the same way once upon a time he called on Trump to arrest certain people from Kenya, Rigiji should be calling for mass action against Trump and the war criminal Netanyahu. Those are the people who created this crisis, not William Ruto, not the people of Kenya, not trying to put young men to the streets to come and loot and destroy property. Those are the people you should be calling for mass action for. Lakini wajua ukiwa maumau bandia, hiyo ndio kazi unafanya. Vitisho vya urongo na kutisha wale ambao unafikiria hawezi kufanya kitu. Finally, I wish to take this opportunity to commend the government for taking progressive steps to navigate the prevailing challenges and cushion consumers from the adverse effects of the international oil price shocks. And this I want to assure the people of Kenya. I think the government is extremely compassionate. It appreciates the crisis that we have been driven to by the illegal war in the Middle East. And I am sure that all reasonable measures will be taken, even as we progress to readjust the interventions.
Kenya, linda wananchi, people power.
Sijajaza tu bado.
Alikuwa juu hata. Asuni like.
We understand the most pressing issue right now in the country is the issue of fuel prices, and our principals have made pronouncement on social medias on the same, and on Sunday we are also going to give direction on the same on how we need to approach this government.
Tungependa kusema hii meli ya Linda Mwananchi imeondoka na hakuna chochote kitasimama mbele kitusimamishe. Ya pili ni kuwaalika wananchi wa Nakuru mujitokeze kwa wingi. Tunawahitaji wote kuanzia kanisani hadi Mazembe grounds.
Nina imani kwamba Linda Mwananchi ina confirm kwamba ipo siku, for sure there is a day that will come that we shall all sing hallelujah that we are tumekomboa Nakuru na tumekomboa nchi yetu. Nachukua nafasi hii nimkaribishe Bwana Sifuna na viongozi wote na niwaombe wajihizi kwamba wako nyumbani, kwa sababu hapa ndipo tunaita Nakuru County. If Nakuru coughs, the whole country will cough.
Nchi yote inasema ni wakati wa mabadiliko. Tarehe 19 tutakuwa tunafanya what you're calling a historical declaration right here in Nakuru. Kwa hivyo tunaomba wananchi wote wa Kenya waangazie mkutano huu kupitia runinga, na pia wale ambao wataweza kufika waje kule katika uwanja wa Mazembe.
As we sit here right now, there is a mother who has passed on. As we sit here, Waziri, we are losing 92 newborns every day, every day. What interventions can we be able to put in place? I always tell my team, we are leaders of this country. We will be held accountable in front of God. We cannot run away from that. In one way or another, we can be able to change something.
So when women go to our facilities and for one reason or another, the mindset of the healthcare worker is how can they see a pregnant woman and they see money. So at the end of the day, people either sit on a patient because they want to claim that money.
I'm going to send another letter to KEMSA today, telling KEMSA that you can deny the counties any other commodity, but not those ones. Mothers who used to sleep on the floor, NHIF used to pay. Mothers who used to share beds, NHIF used to pay. So now SHA will not pay you. SHA will not pay. That's why you see hospitals now are not bothered. SHA will pay you based on the beds on your license.
And action. Nao atungati a arwaru ni mokirire thirikari ya Embu ni gutiganiria thibitari wa Ishiara kuona thibitari ugumirwo ni mathina kihiri ta wagi wa mai matheru, dawa, wagi wa indo iria irateithia hari kurigita arwaru aya gatagati ka mathina mangi maingi.
Rone moretia thirikari yo makinya ma kurora thibitari yo nigetha urigiti ukorwo ugitwarithio na mbere uria kwagirire. Riboti ino na mwandiki witu wa mohoro.
Gute murutu wa wira ukuthamithua tondu gute murutu wa wira wa thibitari ino muremene wira thirikari ni ra accept ni nemene wira nikirenda kuruta excuse govitukira rutia wira. Demand number 2, Director of Public Health Embu County auke eke immediate detailed report ya status ya thibitari ino.
Fikiri hata kuwekeza katika sekta ya afya imeendelea kuongezeka. Haiwezekani kwamba hawawezi pata huduma hapa nje na waweze kulazimishwa kutumia kosi ya kwenda katika referral kwa huduma ambazo wangezipata hapa. Waziri ambaye anasimamia shughuli za afya ndiye sababu kubwa ya kudidimia za huduma za afya katika gatuzi hili la Embu.
Governor of Embu County. Yes. My sister, Cecily Mbarire. You better resign kwa sababu ya mauaji hawa vijana. You better resign. For 2 weeks watu wa Ishiara walikuwa wanasema kuna maandamano ya kuitisha haki ya hospitali. Au kusema kitu for 2 weeks.
Muno makiria kuna thibitari witagwo Ishiara ni utiganirio na njira nene kuona ona mai matheru ni maraga tugakiuria thirikari ri kariki iragika ruhonge rwa gima wa mwiri ni kiruratiganiria arwaru
niguo na hati undu tangaja kuma kaunti ya Embu tucokereria guku kaunti ya Nairobi itura ni ria Gomogo jathaini twambe twikario hanini tukurio tumai na tugucokeria na riboti makiria
na ndukanyage nyure mutabo wa Murata wa Ngai TV. Hihi ni wiguite Murata wa Ngai TV iragwa gwakuja otaba na nikio niye Wanjiru wa Wainaina ndirakurehera tabarira ya Murata matura-ini kuria turihukuraga matura matiganite tukamenya uria matari. Tabarira no iri gukinyagira thaa 1 cia hwaini muthenya wa Jumamothi ni tunyitanagire. nĩ harĩ ũmwe wanyu gatagatĩ kanyu ũrwarĩte, ũcio nĩete athuri a kanitha nao mamũhoere makĩmũitagĩrĩria maguta rĩtwa-inĩ rĩa Mwathani. Tarĩki nĩ 1 mweri-inĩ wa gatano, narĩo igongona nĩ mahoya ma o mweri marĩa magakorwo magũcokeria Ngai ngatho nĩ arĩa ahonu na kũhoera arĩa arwaru, marĩa magatongorio nĩ Archbishop John Gĩthirĩ kanitha-inĩ wa Theophilus Church Njatha-inĩ. Inyuothe mũrĩ anyite ũgeni.
Eno nĩ Mũrata wa Ngai TV.
Ceilings ikaanza kutoka. Sasa tumejaribu kwenda kwa county government watusaidie, lakini they have delayed. They have delayed to assist us.
But of great concern is how the county government themselves vandalized the equipment that were in those facilities. The theater, the machines that were there.
Eldamaravine is among the biggest hospital facility. It's among the facilities that receives a lot of patients. And surprisingly, even these honorable senators, they were asking me why we don't have a CT scan and dialysis machine in Eldamaravine. So I'm wondering when our budget chairman tell us you spend about 3 billion.
Watu wa Baringo County wamehangaika hapa na pale. Hapa hata Panadol. Kuna mtu alikuja hapa juzi kuanzia asubuhi mpaka jioni. Pale baadaye hata ukitaka kwenda kutafuta Piriton unaambiwa enda nunua Piriton nyumbani.
How I wish the governor and his executive and his members of the county assembly can come and look at this facility. This is so embarrassing. It is so depressing. It is so sad. As a Kenyan, I am shocked that these things do exist in our country. A beautiful health center which has just been collapsed into zero. And you know these things collapse because of corruption.
In 3, 2, 1, and action.
Na twakihoya thenjo ni mwena ucio wigie thauti na ngwiciria mainjinia maitu makire maitho nigetha tukorwo tugithie na mbere na riboti citu. Akore gothe urakorwo gitwamukira kwa Mũrata wa Ngai TV no ukorwo gitwareria ni undu wa kaundu gothe kegie megie mitambo 0742383838 kana 0742414141 kora mwenda wa ngenda cio kinyanĩria ukorwo gitwareria tukorwo tugithie na mbere na njira yo njega na macoke maku ni tugukuma mukira. Arimũ anene thukuru-inĩ makiria ma 3,000 thukuru-inĩ cia mũthingi kuu magĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Nyanza nĩ morĩtie gũkorwo marĩ kĩonereria kĩega kuri arutwo aria marabundithia mathukuru-inĩ kuona arutwo maroraga mitugo na makinya ma arimũ.
na nigetha makoro makirumirira mitugo eno hakire o uguo arimu aya macokeirio ngatho ni wira wao mwega wa gukorwo magikinyaniria mutaratara wa CBE uria wahigurirwo ni thirikari. Riboti makiria kuma Homa Bay County.
The government is still committed to providing textbooks to all our learners on a 1-to-1 ratio. So if there is any school that for some reason failed to get these books, please, through our sub-county directors of education, through our county directors of education and even the RD's office, let the Ministry of Education know. Give us your accurate numbers so that we must make sure that these learners have these books.
As of institutions of special schools who are in this conference today, because the chief guest has articulated issues that are pertaining special needs. I want to urge the parents of children with special needs to bring the children to school. There are parents who are still hiding children in their homes. So I want to plead with the parents to bring the children to school.
Government of Kenya's commitment to ensuring that all children acquire foundational skills by the age of 10. The Council of Governors, through our chair of the Departmental Committee on Education, Governor Dr. Eric Mutai of Kericho, emphasized the central role of county governments in delivering foundational learning, describing it as both a moral obligation and an economic necessity.
Action. Nayo bodi ya sukari fururine ni hete arimi aigwa mwihoko wa ati thirikari ni iroya makinya ma gutigirira ni mamukira marihi mao kwa ihinda riria riagiriire kuma kuri iganda cia sukari iria ikoragwo ikimagurira.
Na kiaria tauni-ini ya Nairobi, afitha munene wa bodi eno niwe Jude Chesire augite undu uyu ni ukurehe gikeno hari arimi aya kumahe mwihoko wa guthie na mbere kuruta wira na njira iria yagiriire. Riboti ino kuma mwena ucio na mwandiki witu wa muhoro.
Can supply agreements which are anchored on the law. In our regulations we have standard supply agreements which our millers are supposed to follow, and in the agreements we have penalties when they delay in paying. We also have transparent pricing mechanisms, and we also enforce payment timelines where if the miller defaults, there is a percentage in which they are going to pay the farmers. We also have a structure for dispute resolution. The law has created a tribunal to handle any related issues regarding the sugar industry, and it's under the judiciary. In driving productivity, closing yield and efficiency gap, we've developed about 28 cane varieties. We also have encouraged our millers to also explore and get other varieties from other countries. We have a Kenya Sugar Research Institute that we mandated to do the research and also multiply the seed cane so that we are able to progress and increase our production.
One, action.
Negalo na ripoti hiyo na mwandiki witu wa mohoro Majiro Hainaina. Muthenya wa umuthi uko county-ini ya Nairobi uko mwena wa Gomogo itura ria Njathaini
kanitha-ini wa Theophilus
Church. Na nikuo seminar ya youth irakorwo igithie na mbere na koguo wakiona thiini wa karabicani-ini yaku ndwakiurie muno niki guku gukiri ni seminar ya kunora a youth itu na makaria mbeu njithi. Seminar irakorwo gitongorio ni Archbishop John Githiri wa makanitha mothe ma Theophilus Church handu hothe thi ya Roma.
Unatoka kenyita ageni aitu inyuothe muragikorwo mugitwirorera no mukorwo mugituma ciana cianyu guku Theophilus Njathaini seminar-ini ino ni marakorwo magithomithio na njira iria yagiriire.
Niguo na tukoba twikiri uri ngeikere ria keri tugucokereria hana riboti ciĩgie mathako tumenye imwana cia atumia uria cirakorwo cikigarura thiini wa iharo tugathi kuraya.
Kia mohoro maria makwigie. nĩ harĩ ũmwe wanyu gatagati kanyu ũrwarĩte ũcio nĩete athuri a kanitha nao mamũhoere makĩmũitagĩrĩria maguta rĩtwa-inĩ rĩa Mwathani. Tarĩki nĩ 1 mweri wa gatano na rĩo igongona nĩ mahoya ma o mweri marĩa magakorwo magũcokeria Ngai ngatho nĩ arĩa ahonu na kũhoera arĩa arwaru marĩa magatongorio nĩ Archbishop John Githiri kanitha-inĩ wa Theophilus Church Njatha-inĩ. Inyuothe mũrĩ anyite ũgeni. Hihi nĩ wĩharĩirie kũigua ciĩgiĩ ũteti ũkĩnyitanĩra na kanitha?
Ngai arogũteithia.
Mungu akusaidie.
Uconokere wĩra wa Ngai.
Waipikie kazi ya Bwana.
Utige kunyararithia wĩra wa Ngai.
Waache kufanya kazi ya Mungu idharauliwe.
Mtungatĩri tiga kũgayania wĩra wa Ngai.
Kiwa mtumishi waacha kugawanisha kazi ya Bwana.
Wĩra wa Ngai.
Aipikia kazi ya Bwana.
Na wĩtherie.
Na ujitakase.
We have counted one too many. But this is now a wrong number.
Kinyitanire na ithuĩ gũkũ kwa Mũrata wa Ngai TV thaa 2 cia ũtukũ mũthenya wa Kiumia tabarĩra-inĩ ya Nguru Ngai-inĩ.
Nimesikia mmemwambia Stephen ya kwamba kulia, kushoto, mbele na nyuma lazima usimame rais. Lakini unajua hata mimi niliambiwa hivyo.
This fight belongs to the Lord. He brought us here. He brought us here.
You cannot call out somebody for the wrong and then you are committing the wrong yourself.
Gĩkururĩre karenda yaku tukanyitanagĩra na tukamenyaga harĩa twerekeire tũrĩ ta bũrũri.
Nĩ Mũrata wa Ngai TV.